Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to refund items on Roblox. So if you also want to refund items on Roblox, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in roblox.com, press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Roblox. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you look at the top right corner, you'll be able to see a settings icon. Right next to it, you'll be able to see your balance. Click on it. Now you can see the option like buy Robux, my transactions, redeem Roblox codes. All you have to do is click on the option my transactions. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the transactions interface of Roblox. You can see all your transactions over here. You can filter the transaction according to the type, or you can also filter the transaction according to the date range. Now if you want to refund the items, what you have to do is open the new tab. Now click on the search bar. Now type in roblox.com/support. Press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the support interface of Roblox. You'll have to quickly fill up these informations right over here. It is very simple. You'll have to enter your username. You can see over here, it is already written. Now enter your first name. It is optional. Also enter the email address. Confirm the email address. Now you'll have to choose the device that you're having the problem on. Click on this box. Now select the device. You can see several options over here. Click on the device of your choice. Now you'll also have to choose the help category. Click on this box. Now choose the category. You can see several options over here. Choose the option purchases using Robux. Now you'll have to select the subcategory. Click on this box. Now you can see two options over here, website item and inexperience item. Click on the choice that is suitable for you. Now you'll have to provide the description of the issue. Click on this box. You can write something like I would like to request refund for the item and then type in the item name. You can see the item name right over here. Also, you can type in the cause for refund. Here I've written I purchased the item accidentally. Also mention the total spend. You can see over here I've written the total spend was. Now enter the amount. Now after you type in the description of the issue, all you have to do is click on the continue button that you can see right over here. You might encounter a CAPTCHA verification. You'll have to solve the puzzle in order to proceed. Now you can see over here your request has been received. You will receive an email shortly and hopefully you'll get your refund. So that is how you refund items in Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.